Welcome back to another 5-minute flower. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider a hydrangea. I didn't make a pattern for this one because I'm just doing a line and a circle, so I'm using a heat erasable pen. These pens are really cool. I will link below where I got them. You can sketch whatever you want on any fabric, and then they erase with a blow dryer or an iron, any type of heat. I'm using an extra layer of plain cotton fabric underneath my regular stitching fabric. And as you can see, my pattern is just a line with the 2 circles coming off of it and 1 leaf. You can draw this however you want your hydrangea to come out though. I am using DMC Embroidery Floss 3022 Brown Gray. This is going to be the color I used for the stem, and I am using 2 strands, threading the needle through and then folding it over so it will be 4 strands. This is what I use for most of my stitches. For the stem, as usual, I'm going to use the split stitch, so I'm going to go up through the back of the fabric, go down 1 stitch length forward, and then come back up right through the center of that first stitch. And you're just going to repeat that over and over again until you get to the end of your stem. So when you come back up, you want it right through the center of that last stitch that you made. I'm doing the fishbone stitch for the leaf, up through the back of the fabric at the very top of the leaf, and then you're going to come down maybe a little bit more than halfway. When you come back up through the back, you're going to go close to that first stitch, but a little bit lower and a little bit to the side. Then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And then as you're coming back down, you want to do it a little bit lower than that first stitch. And you're just going to repeat that over and over again, keep going lower and a little bit off to the side. As you practice with these, you can kind of shape them in any way that you want. Then I'm just going back here and finishing up this little bit of stem over here. Now for the petals, I'm going to use the French knot. So you're going to go up through the back of the fabric, wrap your thread around the needle 2 to 3 times, and then you're going to bring it right back down through the center of that first stitch. I did thicker thread here, so I believe I used 3 or 4 strands and then put it through the needle, folding it over so it made 8 strands. It all depends how fluffy you want your petals to look. And this really pretty blue thread color I'm using is DMC 3727. You can make these flowers as big or as small as you want them, and you can also make them a little less round if you'd like. You can definitely customize it to however you prefer. Just fill in the center and then tie a knot in the back, and then you are all done. This one might be my favorite one yet. Let me know what flowers you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.